Alright, I want to show you why I like this scrubber and actually how it works. This is the Hoover Turbo Scrub XL. I don't know if it's specifically designed for pets, but it works really well at our house with pets and dogs. This is the chemical we use with it. Hoover Carpet Cleaner Scrubber, specifically with pet. I know you can get different kinds, but I want to show you the breakdown of this machine and why I like it. And I will say that it's really effective against stains of all kinds. We have 4 dogs around here and cats, and it's craziness. So first thing you want to do is switch this, take the cord off, and then there's 2 tanks up here. This one is your tank for water, and we always fill it with hot water. Just a quick turn right here. Hot water in that helps us when we're cleaning. This is the soap container, so we pull that out, you twist this off, fill it up with soap. I generally fill it about halfway. You don't need a lot. We got a big house, but we're not using it all day. We only use it for an hour or so. Then there's a button in the back here to let the handle come down. And this is your dirt tank. And it is hinged in the back and comes in the front. It's got a level that shuts off when the water gets dirty. And this actually does get kind of yucky and gross. And so when you're ready to clean it out, you take that off, and once again, it's hinged in the back. You dump this out, wash it out really good. So I'm showing you everything you need to do when you're done with this to clean it, as well as how it comes apart without too much fuss. So that comes off. Now here's a port for the hose if you want to clean your carpets or the hand on a couch or whatever else, like a vacuum. But this piece comes off and hinges down, and you'll notice that when you're doing cat litter and cleaning, this will all be full of hair and yuck, so it needs to come off and get washed out and really clean. So there's a screen right here, and one thing about this, when you use it, it's going to get furry, it's going to get dirty, it's going to need to be cleaned and taken apart. And then when you get to the brushes will have a whole bunch of fur in them, like that, and so you want to rub them off. But there's 2 buttons you can push on the front of it, and then this scrubber will come out of it, and you can rub it like that, and you can see I'm even getting fur out of it from the last time. But you want to wash this and get it clean. You want to make sure this is clean. After you're done with it, definitely take it all apart like this. You have to take the time, or it will get really yucky if you don't clean this. But the brushes just come out, and they go back in a specific way, just like that. They lock back in, and you turn this back over. You clip this underneath the front, and it will slide up like that. You take this, and it's got the feet in the back once again. You put that on there. You close this up. You fill this with hot water. You set it right there. I don't know why. Oh, has to go right on from the top. I was trying to do it like this. Nope, goes right on from the top. Super easy. This comes out. You fill it with soap. You plug it in, you're ready to go. There's just an on and off switch right here to run the suction and the motor and the brushes. And then there's a deep clean button here and a quick clean right here. And then this one right here on the handle is your water squirt. So that's pretty much how this thing works. We've had great luck with it. It's been a really good carpet cleaner. It's relatively priced too. It's not in the exorbitant price range. So that's why I recommend this.